Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 2nd. The reflection for today is truth. Your soul has transported the truth into your heart because your heart is the best vessel to carry such a treasure. Find your truth, feel your truth, walk your truth. Be sincere and whole. What is your truth? How will you find it? It will discover you. Truth is the tonic, a bit sour tasting at times, that will let you know if you're on the path that will lead you to enlightenment and wholeness. Truth does not sneak up on you. It looks you directly in the eye and doesn't blink until you speak to it. Truth watches you cry. It feels your ache. It listens as you scream questions at the universe. It knows that only you can answer them, that the answers reside in you. Truth knows you have to do the soul work and wait. What does truth look like? It is a request from someone that you can't fulfill because it doesn't feel comfortable. So you say no, even if your answer may cause them discomfort. Truth is leaving a job that pays well and offers future security so that you can write the book on gardens that's been growing your mind. Truth is speaking heartfelt words to a dear one and having them shut you down. And yet you believe that you couldn't have done it any other way. Truth is when you walk in the mirror and see the face of a warrior of the soul that wears the expression of vulnerability and truth. It is not always pretty, but it is always authentic. Truth is the voice that tells you what you feel and encourages you to do what you feel. Truth is the fuel on the voyage to yourself. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Close your eyes or keep them open and take a few nice, comfortable breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me, silently or out loud. I am listening to my heart. I am finding my truth. I am listening to my heart. I am finding my truth. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be, I am listening to my heart. I am finding my truth. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.